Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Android's internet speed has suddenly dropped while using your eSIM, don't worry. I've got a few quick fixes that usually get things running smoothly again. And by the way, if you're using Saily like I am, there's a link in the description that gives you 15% off all their plans. Definitely check it out if you're getting started or thinking about switching to a new plan. All right, let's jump into the fixes. First, try toggling airplane mode. Go to Settings, tap Connections, and turn on Flight Mode. Wait about 15 seconds, then turn it back off. It's simple, but it forces your phone to reconnect to the network, and that alone can fix most slow speed issues. If that doesn't help, the next step is to reboot your device. Press and hold the power button, or power and volume up, depending on your phone, and restart it. A quick reboot can clear minor background glitches that interfere with your connection. Still getting slow speeds? Open Settings again, go to Connections, then Mobile Networks, and tap Network Operators. From there, manually select One Global, which is the network Saily uses. If you don't see that option, or you still can't get online, it's a good idea to reach out to Saily's 24/7 live chat support. They're very responsive and can usually sort things out quickly, and that's it. Toggle airplane mode, reboot your device, and manually check your network operator. These simple steps usually fix most slow speed issues on Android when using an eSIM like Saily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to use the 15% off link in the description for all Saily plans. Check it out and save a bit while setting up your eSIM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.